Alright, I just got this in the mail, basically. I got the shock boxes for my Neo Geo games. These are essentially just boxes for them. They're black and white. Pretty big space. That's because they're big cartridges. But, man, it's nice to see them. Smells like 4. Samurai Showdown 2. King of Fighters 2. King of Fighters 98. Metal Slug. Nice. Metal Slug X. This is another Metal Slug case that I liked. Fatal Fury, Real Bout 2. We got The Last Blade 2. Arrow Fighters. And the multi-game one. Very nice. Very nice. Yep. Can't wait to put my games in these now. This is gonna be a while.